Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2026 Go Reading Workshop Series. Now we're going to be doing a whole bunch of new problems involving reading for foundations of reading and reading special exams for teachers that are taking the reading exams in all the different states. Whether you're in Massachusetts or Ohio or Connecticut or North Carolina, wherever it is, or Texas or California, whatever state you're in, we're going to be covering those core ideas in phonological and phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, reading comprehension, these core ideas to help you pass your exams. Use these videos to get better at these exams, to get better at the tests and pass them. Now let's just jump right in. Let's start, let's go, and let's have fun. Okay team, our first set of videos is going to be involving phonological awareness. So this is that skill involving hearing sounds and words. All these activities that we do in all the problems are all oral language or auditory activities. So make sure you think about that. These are all sound activities. And each problem that we'll do will involve something to do with sound, hearing those sounds in spoken language. Let's take a look at our first set of problems. Let's go. Team, we talked about say it and move it earlier, but this is a variation of using those sound boxes. In this activity here, instead of actually having a grid, you could still have a grid for this activity, but it would look something like this. The student would be given a prompt. Either the teacher would say the word out loud. Let's use the word ship. Or given a picture of a ship. That's my best picture of a ship. Okay? So the teacher says the word ship, they're given a picture of a ship, and then the student is going to be asked to say the word ship. They repeat the word. And then they go on, and now they're going to use these pegs, and they're going to move them down. It becomes a kinesthetic activity where they move as they segment. So in this case right here, we move it down, sh, I. Notice how this becomes a combination of two different sensory activities. There's the hearing component as well as the tactile component. So it's reinforcing the phoneme segmentation piece. So they're moving these little chips and they're doing sh, I, ship. And what this does is like a say it and move it activity like this. It uses a combination of hearing those sounds, segmenting those sounds explicitly, along with a tactile element with the finger, moving the finger down, moving those little pegs down to reinforce that phoneme segmentation thing. So it's helping build connections in different ways on phoneme segmentation in your brain through two different modalities, hearing and touch. So it's a really fun activity. If you have the chips, it could work. I think, say it and move it with those pegs, or say it and move it with just a sound boxes, they work very well with phoneme segmentation activities. So say it, move it is a really good phoneme segmentation activity. Phonics. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, team.